Alright, how's it going, everybody? Glad to be back on the YouTube, and sorry for the lack of videos here lately, but here's an update of what's been going on with the channel and everything else. I just recently upgraded to a Toyhauler fifth wheel, and I've been doing a little bit of work to it. I'll show you kind of what's been going on with it. I've been fixing up the back floor because it was rotted out. As you can see, there's the ground on it. This whole back corner was rotted out. There's the wood from it right down here. And I've got the Harley in here. Got the old Yamaha that I always make videos on, but hopefully I'll be making some Harley videos of me riding that and vlogging here soon. I just recently had to get a new battery for it because the old battery it actually went bad because it was getting too much voltage. The voltage regulator went bad on it, and it overcharged the battery, and that caused the battery to go out. So I need to get a new voltage regulator for the Harley. There's the voltage regulator down here. Need to replace that, and it should be good to go. I checked it with the voltmeter, and you know, it's charging 18 volts, so that's entirely too much. But yeah, that's my Harley. I've had it for, I've probably had that thing for about at least 6 years now, maybe more than that. But here's the back Toyhauler floor that I've been working on. As you can see, it's still pretty wet back here, but this wood back here is pretty solid. It's just real wet, so I'm gonna try and let this dry out and not have to cut out this side. But the other side, I'm gonna definitely have to cut in a new place on that. Alright, here's another update on the Toyhauler floor project. I put down, these Toyhaulers have a 1-inch floor. As you can see, you can't find any 1-inch Advantech plywood, so I'm using 3/4 inch plywood, and then I'm going to overlay with a 1/4 inch sheet of plywood to make it a full 1 inch. So I'm gonna put the 1/4 inch paneling, some strips down it to pad it up to the same height, and then this rubber will be ready to get cleaned up and glued down after this other side dries out. So I've got it screwed down with some self-tapping 2-inch screws into the frame. It's got a steel frame, some supports going under here, so I just took some self-drilling screws and attached it down, so it should be pretty solid. handling board down to the van tip with a brad nails. Should be good to go. Alright, well pretty much that's about it. Like I say, I nailed down the paneling on top of this 3/4 inch board, and that's 1/4 inch paneling, and that bumps it up to 1 inch. As you can see here, you know, that's perfectly level now, and over here. So I might take a sander to these edges right here just to sand them down a little bit, but pretty much that's it on the floor repair. Got brand new wood. I'm gonna have to drill for the this tie down point right here. This goes up underneath the trail of this bar right here, and I'm gonna have to drill out for this that attaches right here. So I just gotta drill some holes in the floor for that, and that's about it. The floor repair is about done. I need to, like I say, let this dry out real good before I glue it back down. And that's about it. Not bad for about a half a day's worth of work. Let's see. I love this grass over here. These are the neighbors' horses. They come out here and graze every day. Like to come and hang out. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the content, and tune in again for the next one. I don't know what it'll be. I think the next video I'll probably be fixing the Harley, getting it going, and maybe take it for a ride. We'll see you on the next one.